Hey guys, what's happened? How to cancel Spotify Premium. To cancel your Spotify Premium subscription, you will need to access your account through your phone, right? So if you paid Spotify Premium using your iPhone, what you're gonna do, just go ahead and open up your settings. Then click your name and go ahead to the subscriptions, right? And from there, you're gonna be able to see your own subscriptions. Go ahead and click, let's say for example, Spotify. This is Spotify. You're gonna see the same settings. Go ahead and hit cancel subscription and confirm that you want to cancel this subscription. But if you used your desktop or your basically your mobile Spotify mobile app, you will need to log into your Spotify account on the website or your phone, and then what you're gonna do, just go ahead and open up right here Spotify. I'm gonna click my settings gear. Right here I'm gonna click my settings gear at the top and then hit settings and privacy, right? And you're gonna see, of course, your plans, right? So let me go to my account, right? You're gonna see right here your plan. Go ahead and click your plan and cancel it if you want to if you don't want to basically use Spotify Premium anymore, right? So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.